And this morning, a big loss in federal court for President Trump's former lawyer, Rudy Giuliani. A federal judge has ruled that Giuliani is liable for defamation in response to a lawsuit from two former election workers in Georgia who said that Giuliani lied about them and ruined their lives. In one example, they say Giuliani accused them of passing around USB ports like they were vials of heroin or cocaine. In reality, they were passing a ginger mint. Last year, they told Congress what happened to them after they were targeted by online threats and hate.
I don't go to the grocery store at all. I haven't been anywhere at all. I've gained about 60 pounds. I just don't do nothing anymore. I don't want to go anywhere. I second guess everything that I do. It's affecting my life in a major way.
And joining us now is NBC's Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Delaney. And Ken, so big loss for Giuliani, but not in the sense that this was already decided by a jury, right? This seems to be coming down from the judge, and a lot of it seems to be the result of some kind of sloppy lawyering in court, right?
Lack of lawyering, Gotti. That's right. Well, but first of all, that clip that you just played really underscored Rudy Freeman and Shay Moss really showed the public the human cost of some of these election lies. Here were two lives that were really upended by false allegations of election fraud by Rudy Giuliani. And so they sued him for defamation in a Washington, D.C. court. And as the case was progressing through the standard litigation procedure, they were asking for documents from Giuliani under what's known as discovery, and they were entitled to those documents, and he refused to turn them over, including financial information. This is all according to the judge's opinion today. And finally, the judge said, look, I'm going to have to levy the ultimate sanction here, which is that I'm going to find you liable for defamation. And so now all that's left in this case is for her to decide the damages. It's a huge loss. It's the ultimate sanction. And, you know, look, Rudy Giuliani is facing a number of obviously legal battles on a number of fronts, and perhaps this wasn't at the top of his list, but now he's really paying the price, Gotti.
And if Giuliani confessed that he made false statements, what is his defense, or what was his defense?
Well, his argument was he stipulated that the statements he said were false only for the purposes of that case. What the judge said was that he wanted to sort of get through the lower court process so he could appeal this case and try to throw it out on appeal without really getting the facts on the record. And she said she's not going to let him get away with that. He needed to provide the discovery. He didn't do it. I mean, his defense was that this wasn't defamation as a legal matter, but that's gone now. The judge has ruled that, in fact, it was.
And what's next with this particular case? When could we see possible damages handed down?
Yeah, now there will be a trial on damages, and Rudy Freeman and Shay Moss will be able to bring in witnesses who can show how their lives were affected by this, what their potential monetary losses were. And the other thing the judge decided was that the jury could impose punitive damages in this case, and she still ordered Giuliani to turn over information about his finances because punitive damages are often related to the defendant's ability to pay and what would punish the defendant. It's not a good situation for Rudy Giuliani, but then again, he's facing the loss of his freedom in Georgia. So this may not be at the top of his list, but it's a serious matter.
Ken Delaney, thanks so much.
You bet.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.